palm of the hand कर ली, उसमें उसके muscles, you've done the muscles, the tissue spaces, and obviously जब आपने palm शुरू किया होगा तो you must have done the connective tissue elements of the palm, which included the palmar aponeurosis and the flexor retinaculum. ये सब चीजें I assume कि you've already done. You've done the basic skeleton of the hand as well. So let's, and you've done the blood supply of hand as well. So let's move on to the nerve supply. So when you're talking about the nerve supply, beta ye slide aage nahi ja rahi, dekhiye. So when we're talking about the nerve supply of hand, obviously aapko किसी concept the distribution is going to be, distribution of nerve supply will be कि आपने देखना है कि hand में
मेजर ना वाले ना
अच्छा आगे
शेयर लिख दे
क्या लिखूं
people stop our personal discussions, and if you have to do these personal discussions, please mute your mics.
हम
सर माइक ऑफ कर
किसने लिखा था? अल्ताफ से अल्ताफ से अनहाली ने भी कुछ किया था
उसका भी लिखना
इसका शेर
You all hear this session? And this is all being recorded.
अजीब हो तुम
Does anybody know who this student is? And can you?
Someone Irfan. It's someone Irfan है
ये समन इरफान को कोई बुला रहा है कि समन इरफान है
कहाँ जाऊँ? I hope you can see the screen. Please मुझे text कर दीजिए because मैंने सबको
मैम पहले आ रही थी अब नहीं आ रही यार मैम के लिफ्ट नहीं हो गया
आई थिंक बड़ी अच्छी
स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है आपको
नहीं अब नहीं हो रही है मेरी शेयर हो रही सब मैम की आवाज आ रही है
मैम की आवाज आ रही है
पार्टिसिपेंट्स में
यार नहीं आ रही मैम का लीव हो गया यार बाकी किसी लेक्चर में नहीं हुआ इसी लेक्चर में होता है पिछली दफा भी इतना हुआ था
क्लास मैम की पहले कॉल ज्वाइन
हुई थी लेकिन अब शायद ड्रॉप हो गई है
अभी तो अटेंडेंस भी इतनी कम है
चलो मैं उनको कॉल करके कहती हूँ
कौन सी मैम का लेक्चर है
मैम
मैं मान रहा
ओहो जल्दी करो फिर तो यार वो इतना अच्छा पढ़ाती हैं कम से कम उनके लेक्चर में ना ऐसे किया करो
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the slide now?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
चलो जी। आपस की घरों की जो बच्चों का आपस बहन भाइयों की लड़ाई है ना वो प्लीज क्लास के बाद किया करें ठीक है All right. So talking about the nerve supply, obviously बेटे जब आप nerve supply की बात करेंगे तो you need to know that what are the structures which are making up the hand. We have bones, we have joints, then obviously related to the joints बाकी structures होंगे, then we have muscles going in there, and we have vessels, and then we have the skin. So हमने सारी चीज़ों की nerve supply देखनी है कि कैसे होगी. So first of all, I'll start off with the nerves that are the source of this supply. So the nerves which are the source of supply to the hand are the median nerve. Okay, this is the median nerve. Then what are the other nerves? कौन-कौन सी nerve होती हैं आपने अभी पढ़ी हैं?
Ulnar nerve, radial nerve.
Right. So the nerves which supply the hand are the median nerve, the ulnar nerve, and the radial nerve. we've done most of the course of these nerves, but this time in this class, we are only going to confine ourselves to the portions of the nerves in the hand, right? So let's start off with the median nerve. So the median nerve, as you see, the median nerve when it enters the palm. I'm not going to talk about the rest of the course. वो हमने पहले कर लिया है. This is where it is entering the palm. When it enters the palm, it passes behind the flexor retinaculum, and when enters into the palm, this portion where it is passing behind the flexor retinaculum, this is known as the carpal tunnel. ये I hope आपने जब बाकी hand का structure किया तो आपको बताया गया होगा. Carpal tunnel is an osteofibrous tunnel. The osseous or the bony part is formed by the carpal bones, and the fibrous part is formed by the flexor retinaculum. And there are a number of other contents of this carpal tunnel, which is the tendons or the long flexors which are going into the hand. And in addition, there is the median nerve. So this is how the median nerve enters into the palm of the hand by passing behind the flexor retinaculum through the carpal tunnel. Then just distal to the, ये अब खत्म हो गया आप flexor retinaculum, just distal to that, the nerve enlarges and then it flattens and it divides into 5 to 6 branches. अभी मैं आपको यहाँ दिखा देती हूँ कौन सी branches मैं बताऊंगी आगे भी. 5 to 6 branches कैसे? एक ये branch देख रहे हो? Then this is the another branch, third branch, fourth branch, and fifth branch. So in this, there are 5 branches visible to you. So let's see what are these branches like. So when you describe these branches, they are basically divided into 2 categories. They are going to be muscular branches or there are going to be sensory branches. ठीक है? अब muscular branches जो हैं, पहले हम muscular branch को discuss कर लेते हैं. Now talking about, अब ये median nerve दोबारा से आप देख लीजिए, flexor retinaculum, ये palmaris longus का tendon आ जाता है. So the first branch that arises from the median nerve in the hand is the muscular branch. So ये है बेटे muscular branch जो आपको नजर आ रही है. This is the branch which arises from the median nerve. It is short and thick, arises from the lateral side. अब ये देख लें नहीं बेटे, ये little finger है और ये thumb है, तो ये lateral side हो गई. So it arises from the lateral side of the median nerve, runs laterally over the thenar muscles. ये the muscles of the thumb को thenar muscles कहते हैं. ये तो आपने पढ़ लिया है सब कुछ. So it runs laterally over the thenar muscles and it is going to supply these thenar muscles. अब कौन से thenar muscles को supply करेगी बेटा? First, this muscle is the flexor pollicis brevis. The nerve passes superficial to it and it supplies the flexor pollicis brevis. Then as it goes laterally, it enters into the from the medial side, it enters the abductor pollicis brevis. दूसरा muscle supply कर लिया. The third muscle that it supplies, जो इसके नीचे होता है बेटे, वो होता है opponens pollicis. So 3 thenar muscles को इसने supply कर दिया. कौन से हैं? Flexor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis brevis, opponens pollicis. ये नजर आ रही है आपको अंदर जाती हुई इसकी branch. And in addition, this also supplies the first dorsal interosseous. अब muscles आप कर चुके हैं. Right, so median nerve is going to supply 3 muscles of the thumb and the first dorsal interosseous. ये इसकी muscular branch ने supply की है. ये muscular branch की ये distribution थी. Now next उसकी कौन सी branches हैं बेटे? The other branches of the median nerve are known as palmar digital branches. अब palm में rise कर रही हैं और उन्होंने digits को यानी आपके fingers या thumbs को supply करना है, इनके इसलिए उनको digital कहेंगे. palm पे rise करती है इसलिए उनको palmar कहेंगे. अब when you talk about the palmar digital branches बेटे, इनके ऊपर further हमने specify कर दिया है. There are going to be proper palmar digital branches. ये मैंने different colors में इसलिए किया है. Proper palmar digital branches होंगी और होंगी common palmar digital. अब उसका difference क्या है बेटे? सबसे पहले देख लीजिए कि इसकी what are the proper palmar digital branches which arise directly from the median nerve. They are going to be, मैं इधर आपको दिखा देती हूँ. 2 proper palmar digital branches, one for the lateral side of the thumb, pollex जिसको कहेंगे आप जा रही है, this one. The second for the medial side, वो medial side of the thumb को supply करेगी. ये क्योंकि proper हैं इसलिए कि ये एक ने एक ही side को supply करना है. So this is a proper digital branch. So one proper digital branch, palmar digital branch is for the lateral side of the thumb. One proper palmar digital branch is for the medial side of the thumb. The third proper palmar digital branch is for the lateral side of the index finger. ठीक है, तो ये तो 3 हो गई प्रॉपर